forgot to film the intro, but I was on TikTok and I saw Kylie Jenner's post, and she posted a what she ate in a day. I wanted to try it out because she looks good. I know she's lost some weight, and I wanted to see if her meals were fulfilling and if they tasted good. Let's see.
We've come so far since we began this love. Been through the trenches, seen so many ups and downs, like we barely even touched the ground. I love you more each day, and I pray I can push my ego out the way, let you know it'll be okay. Yeah. Whenever times get rough, you ain't gotta be tough. I found a way to go back in time, found a way we can press rewind. So I'll be standing right there in the middle of a circle with my arms out wide, trying to turn back the hands of time. Oh, I'll be standing right there in the middle of a circle with my arms out wide, trying to turn back the hands of time. One shining moment. Oh, I remember when you used to call for me. It was all for me. As we went deeper, found love in a place that we never knew. Changed all of my plans, making room for you. Did it all for you. But lately something ain't right, so maybe you should go find just what it is that's really got your mind. And I'll love you still, I always will. Be strong, cause in my eyes you can never do no wrong. So I'll be standing right there in the middle of a circle with my arms out wide, trying to turn back the hands of time. Oh, I'll be standing right there in the middle of a circle with my arms out wide, trying to turn back the hands of time. I'll be right here waiting. I'll be right here waiting. I'll be right here waiting for your love, for your love. I'll be right here waiting. I'll
made into the shape of toast, and I can enjoy both. Really, really key to help keep us out of scarcity mentality.
What's up?
Can I introduce yourself to my vlog?
Oh, sure. I'm not really good at this stuff. But hey guys, I'm Xavier. I'm a personal trainer here in San Diego. And yeah.
Okay.
That's pretty much a new program.
All right. Thank you. See you Thursday.
Đừng có làm mặn quá. Cái đồ thì làm này chứ. Hết cái này ra. Giữ chặt hold very tight. In the corner, right in the corner.
girl. Koto. Two and a fourth cup. Okay, I know I made a mess, but doesn't this look magical? Like, it looks heavenly for some reason. Or toss it in like she said. She tosses it in, or what is this called? Folds it in. She folds in the chocolate. Koto, koto, koto. 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 Koto, koto. I love you, Koto. We could drive along an ocean reflecting the sun. Oh, make a bed of green atop a wide open sea. As you can see, my 5 cookies ready to be cooked. Can you guys see my cookies? Cookies! I hope they taste good. They're a bit too thick, but you know. Cookies! Cookies! I really want to eat one, but I know I have to wait. Okay, which one do I want? I'm gonna go for this one. Ooh, girl, that's hot. Cookie taste test. Kylie Jenner's recipe. It smells so good. Ooh, look at the inside. Let me see if I can show you guys. Wow. Wow. That is heavenly. She's onto something, man. It's so yummy. Wow. Look at this. I'm amazed. But yeah, guys. Thank you for joining me here on this vlog, on this Kylie Jenner, what I eat in a day. Like, I would give her a meal a 9 out of 10. Only thing she needs more is of protein. I think that most of the meals were very well balanced. However, I would like a little bit more protein in my meals, well, especially because I lift heavy weights. I did do some research, and she did say that she was not trying to eat a lot of meat. So that's probably why most of her meals didn't have that much meat protein. And I'm not really sure if there was, like I said, I wasn't sure if there was actually a chicken in some of those meals, but I just assumed and put it in there because I needed protein. Other than that, I mean, I totally respect that she's trying to be eating less meat. I would just incorporate more for her, some more. I think she needs some more protein in her life, even if it's plant-based protein. Overall, everything was so tasty. My favorites were probably the pasta that I made. It was really good. I know she loves to eat pasta, and like that portion size was perfect. I wasn't like too full or too, sorry. I didn't feel like crap after, because that usually happens if I eat a lot of pasta. And then I also really liked her lunch. That salad was so good. That's like I think the one thing that I think everyone needs to try. It was very well balanced. It had the crunch from the almonds, and then the Greek yogurt dressing that I used was like it just tasted good. You know, you just something dressings just are overpowering or just have this off taste. It tasted really good. Yeah, her breakfast too, like I said, it was just what I needed to get through the workout. The coconut water, I know most people cannot afford something like that every day, but that was really refreshing. I love fresh items. If I was Kylie Jenner, I would eat like that too. And then the cookie at night, I think that's really cute that she does that with Stormy. Stormy! I think that's a really just great bonding moment for her and her daughter. And yeah, that's like a diet that she can stick to, that she can lose weight with or stay toned with, whatever her goals are. And it seems to be really helping her. I really love the fact that I think she follows the 80-20 rule. As you can see, she was eating like pasta, which like some critics might not say it's like the healthiest thing, and then she has a cookie at night, plus all of her meals just tasted so good and relatively healthy. So would I do this again? Yes, 100%. You know, maybe I might film I eat like Kylie Jenner for a week or something like that. Yeah, I'm super satisfied. I'm very happy. Got my jug of water here, and yeah, thanks for hanging out with me today. I'll see you guys next time, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I hope my content is making your day better, and I'll see you guys soon.